The core concept is to develop computers for human-like interaction. These computers should answer questions and generate written content. They should also be capable of explaining complex ideas effectively. This is achieved through learning from massive datasets. ChatGPT's development is the result of decades of AI research. This research is driven by the question of machine language understanding. The core question is whether machines can truly understand language. Early AI focused on rule-based systems for language processing, statistical methods, and machine learning advanced language models. Deep learning enabled more complex and nuanced language understanding. Early AI research in the 1950s aimed to make computers follow strict instructions. These early systems lacked the ability to understand the meaning of information. Consequently, they could not respond to inputs in a natural or flexible way. This limitation highlighted the need for more advanced NLP techniques. Later, research focused on enabling machines to process and understand human language. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field focused on enabling computers to understand human language. NLP aims to bridge the communication gap between humans and machines. It involves developing algorithms and models that can process and interpret textual data. The goal is to allow computers to extract meaning and context from natural language inputs. Machine learning uses examples, not explicit rules. Unlike traditional software, this allows computers to identify complex patterns. One key application is pattern recognition in language. This enables machines to process and understand human language. Machine learning models require extensive datasets for effective training. These datasets often consist of diverse text sources like books and articles. Conversation transcripts and website content are also frequently used. The models analyze this data to identify and learn underlying language patterns. This learning process enables the models to generate and understand text. Machine learning models predict the next word, not know language. The prediction is based on learned patterns from training data. These patterns establish probabilities for word sequences. The model selects the most probable word as the next one. This process repeats, generating text based on statistical likelihood. Thus, machine learning simulates language through prediction. The Transformer model, introduced in 2017, revolutionized natural language processing, NLP. It allowed AI to process entire sentences simultaneously. This capability enables the model to understand context more effectively. The Transformer architecture marked a significant advancement in AI's language understanding. Transformers can understand context within a sequence of text. This allows them to identify relationships between words and phrases. For example, they can link pronouns to their corresponding nouns. This contextual awareness enhances the coherence of generated text. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This acronym describes ChatGPT's architecture. It also refers to its training methodology. Each word highlights a key aspect of the model. Pre-training uses vast amounts of text from diverse sources. AI learns grammar and factual information from the data. Reasoning patterns are also learned during pre-training. The AI also learns different writing styles from the text. The AI undergoes pre-training to improve language understanding. A key pre-training task is predicting the next word in a sequence. This task helps the AI learn relationships between words. By predicting words, the AI grasps contextual meanings. Accurate predictions enhance the AI's language proficiency. Improved language understanding is crucial for AI performance. Pre-training demands significant computational power. This often involves the use of supercomputers. Thousands of GPUs are typically required. The cost of these resources can reach millions of dollars. High computational resources are essential for effective pre-training. Fine-tuning refines pre-trained AI models. It enhances politeness and safety in AI responses. Fine-tuning also improves the helpfulness of AI. Human feedback and reinforcement learning are key. Human trainers guide AI by asking questions. Trainers provide ideal answers for the AI to learn from. AI responses are ranked by human trainers. This process teaches AI to explain clearly and avoid harmful content. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, is a key technique. It shapes ChatGPT's conversational abilities through feedback. The system learns to generate better responses. Good answers are rewarded, reinforcing desired behaviors. Incorrect or poor answers are corrected. This iterative process refines the model's understanding. Safety filters are implemented to mitigate harmful AI outputs. Content guidelines are established to ensure responsible AI behavior. Behavior limits are set to control AI actions and prevent misuse. These measures collectively aim to reduce potentially harmful outputs. They also help to avoid the spread of misinformation by AI systems. User safety is prioritized through these comprehensive safety protocols. ChatGPT functions within predefined safety boundaries. These boundaries are designed to ensure responsible AI behavior. Real-world usage provides data to refine these boundaries. User feedback plays a crucial role in boundary updates. Continuous updates ensure alignment with safety standards. When a user types a message, the text is immediately processed. The typed text is converted into a numerical representation. This numerical data is then analyzed for contextual understanding. The system uses this context to predict the next word. Prediction is based on the likelihood of words appearing. This process enables real-time, predictive text suggestions. ChatGPT predicts the next word in a sequence. This prediction process is algorithm-driven. The algorithm operates with high speed. Word prediction occurs in milliseconds. This speed enables real-time responses. Users experience immediate interaction. ChatGPT does not perform live internet searches for real-time information. It focuses on predicting text based on its training data. ChatGPT does not inherently remember past conversations. Memory of past chats requires specific design implementation. ChatGPT is continually evolving, enhancing its core capabilities. Smarter reasoning allows for more complex problem-solving and analysis. Improved accuracy ensures more reliable and trustworthy responses. Multimodal abilities integrate text, images, and voice functionalities. This evolution broadens ChatGPT's application across diverse fields. ChatGPT is fundamentally a machine learning model. It is trained to process and generate human language. The system operates without consciousness. It also lacks any form of life or sentience. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that transforms raw text. It generates intelligent and context-aware responses. It understands the nuances of human language. It provides relevant and coherent information. ChatGPT's development began with the use of raw text data. This raw text served as the foundation for initial learning. The AI underwent extensive training on this vast dataset. Training refined ChatGPT's ability to generate text. Continuous refinement processes further improved its performance. These steps led to the advanced AI available today.